All right. Hello, everyone. We have a lot to go over today, so we're just going to get into it. First, some important housekeeping information. You'll be able to redo mini units 9, 10, and 11 today from 8 to 12, and you'll be able to redo mini unit 12 on Friday. All right, so again, 9, 10, 11 today, mini unit 12 tomorrow. If you've completed any of the assignments, be sure to email us. Remember, today is the last day for late work and redos. Also, the Indian Independence activity that has been graded. You'll have until Friday to redo this if you wish. Below is a video that goes over the common mistakes. If you're confused, please email. Also on Tuesday, we will have another class discussion, so please make sure to do your best and make the time. Otherwise, you'll have to complete the written discussion form. All right. Not sure if you've seen the email yet from Ms. Binger, but we've been asked to go over the academic integrity expectations. So for all assignments, unless stipulated otherwise by your teacher, your response must be in your own words, not cut and pasted. Even when permitted to collaborate with others, appropriate citations must be used for all information gathered from other sources. For this assignment, the specific expectations are as follows. You can make use of your notes, but not other people. So this is an individual assignment. As such, plagiarism includes having the same work as another student. All right, so what will we be doing in today's lesson? We're going to be watching a crash course through Edpuzzle. So some of you may have used it before. I know we haven't used it in world history yet this year, but you'll click on this activity below. It'll bring you to the Edpuzzle site where you'll watch the crash course on the Cold War. You will not be able to fast forward through it, but you will be able to rewind. And when you get to certain points, there will be questions embedded for you to answer. Now, if you look at the question and you're not sure, please remember that you can rewind. All right, watch that section again, and then you'll be able to answer it. All right, but you have to watch it through the Edpuzzle site by clicking on this assignment here. As always, if you have any questions, please email. All right, that is all for now, and good luck.